Hi, Namaskar. Now, I'll start by Dua by Kabir Das. कस्तूरी कुंडल बसे मृग ढूंढे वनवास ऐसे घटी घटी राम है दुनिया देखे नाश. What it means is Kasturi, musk, is in the belly of the deer, but the deer searches the forest for the source of its aroma. Just like that, the Supreme, the greatest intelligence, God, is in all of us. But we go here and there, temple, churches, mosques, pilgrimages, searching for Him. The journey is inwards. Now, all of us who go through life, we get destroyed. It's a blessing, really. One Western philosopher commented, the definition of youth is a person whose life is not yet touched by tragedy. It's a fact. When you're young, life is beautiful and you go into life like a virgin and everything is like a heaven and paradise. And then the world destroys you. As somebody commented, nobody dies a virgin. Life screws them all. It's a fact. But some people wallow in it and live in that personal narrative of their destruction. Actually, that's a blessing. To wake up to that was any case a ghost. It was a created identity of the brain, of the individual, who doesn't exist. We know that today with neuroscience, that the individual is a creation of a brain. The brain works with stories, and the individual self is one story of the brain, which runs on these stories from your childhood, how you grew up, its success and victory. It's the lowest plane of consciousness. Once that is destroyed, you start thinking of what is living, and then you realize, that is not me, that's a larger intelligence. And although it is working through us and our deepest being, and is nothing, in Hindu philosophy it is Ma Kali, from where everything springs. There are a lot of schools of Hindu philosophy. I'll tell you about the Ma Kali. Now, Kal is time, space, energy, and consciousness. Kal. Ma Kali is where it springs from, which is nothing, zero, infinity. From there comes Kal. When you come to the state of being able to observe Kal, go beyond time, space, energy, and consciousness, and observe it from a still witness. As the Bible says, be still and know that I am God. You come into the state of Shivji called Mahakal. And from there, you go back to Ma Kali. Because you're the observer of what is being created. You're back to Ma Kali and are the creator and destroyer of everything. So first is you have to destroy yourself and wake up to what is living. Then you get into larger perspectives of things. This is a small poem I wrote years back. It's called Beautiful Bird. And I'll play a small piece on my pan drum after that just to end this little talk. Beautiful bird, where have you been? I've been searching, I've been pure, living in every beautiful shore. I've been taught of love and war, dazed, confused, tired. Beautiful bird, where have you been? I've been here and I've been there, watching what no one dare. I'm being caged to thought of age, raged, jaded, in fire. Beautiful bird, where have you been? I've been in the sea, I've been in the air. Does it matter when, where? I'm the water, I'm the ground, I'm the earth, fire, wind and sound. I am love, I am me. Bird over every sea, bird over every sea, bird over every sea. friendship, where there are no cages to words and action, where I love what you love, pray where you pray, where we be free as people, caste, creed, color, rational the moment, music just a river, devil a parallel to God. Ah! Oh. Peace, Shanti.